People in Delhi are fighting two wars, one against COVID, the second against air pollution. However, a major concern is regarding the bursting of firecrackers during Diwali. That always deteriorates the air quality in the region. There's no ban on that in Delhi this year. Orissa and Rajasthan have gone ahead and banned them.
Delhi government has all but ruled out a ban on firecrackers, unlike Rajasthan. Rajasthan did so citing the link between air pollution and the COVID cases. Delhi fares far worse in both pollution and spiraling COVID cases. Yet the government is banking on people exercising self-restraint.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट के निर्देशानुसार इस बार दिल्ली में जितने परंपरागत प्रदूषण पैदा करने वाले पटाखे हैं सब पर बैन लगा दिया गया है और केवल ग्रीन क्रैकर को ही अलाउ किया है जिससे प्रदूषण न हो.
The Green Tribunal has issued a notice to the centre and 4 state governments, including Delhi, asking whether crackers can be banned from 7th to 30th November in the interest of public health and environment. The states have to respond by 5th November.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट जैसे कहेगी, जो गाइडलाइन देगी, उसी को हम मानेंगे. अगर वो बैन करेंगे, तो हम उन पे ही आ रहे. भाई सबकी लाइफ पहले जरूरी है. कईयों को सांस की बीमारी है, किस तरह की तकलीफें हैं.
Activists, however, have slammed the Delhi government for not implementing a blanket ban on the sale of firecrackers despite the hazardous levels of air pollution.
Leaders and politicians are waiting for a court to actually tell them that they have to ban crackers or they must not encourage crackers, especially in a year when we are already fighting COVID crisis and now the air pollution. In fact, everybody, every party, political party, every politician, every policy maker should be standing in this decision together.
As Diwali is nearing, you can see the crowds that are emerging at the cracker markets across the national capital. However, there is another section of the society that is demanding a complete ban on the sale of these crackers, claiming that even the green crackers will cause air pollution across the national capital. However, now all eyes will be on the reply of the central government that whether it is possible to put a blanket ban on the sale of crackers across the country. With camera person and Ravi, I'm Akshay Dongre, NDTV.